Alright, here we are in Yellowstone, close to Lamar Valley. Big old herd of buffalo. You got little calves and everything. Another couple herds in the background. Beautiful scenery, nice day. You can't beat this. We got guys rolling around in the sand.